Hello friends, welcome to another episode of SQL Tips and Tricks by Engine.net. So as you are aware, like in this channel, we are going to show all the different kind of tips and tricks which help you in your day-to-day life uh, when you're working on the SQL Server. So in this episode, what we are going to do. So generally, like most of the time, you require like to get the list of the database from the SQL Server for various reasons, like how many database are reside on my SQL Server instance. So to get that list of the database, there are various options, but we are just concentrating on how quickly we can get it. So let's without wasting time, let's quickly jump into SQL Server. So SQL Server provided this command, which is select star from sys database. When you run this command, you will get the list of the database, and apart from there are various columns which might be of your interest. I don't know, like compatibility level, then recovery mode, whether it's a simple or full recovery. So those kind of columns are available here. So you can see like there are a bunch of columns. So whatever the columns you are interested, instead of a star, you can add those columns in. The next thing which I would like to show here, the filtration. First one, which without filter. So what it means in this filtration, we are going to exclude the database which is not created by any user. So like if you see the master TMDB model, MSDB is like inbuilt database from in the SQL Server management. So if we want to exclude those database, so for those, just you need to write name not in master TMDB and model MSDB. I hope this quick uh, tips and tricks will help you somewhere. Uh, to know more, just wanted to give you one more thing. So we started a GitHub repository as well, where we will keep all the latest whatever the video which we are creating. We upload all those script over here. So in case if you need any reference, you can go github.com indian.net SQL trips. I hope this will help you. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Thank you.